great preparation, a combination of a lot of performance factors. Conditioning-wise, I thought we are very ready. Technically, tactically, but everything that I say is ready has to be proven tomorrow. It's a great test, but again, playing against Kaizer Chiefs has never been a friendly match. It's a big match. We want to start on the right foot. It will be nice to win, get the cup. We're trying to sell a winning mentality into the team, and we're really prepared to win the match tomorrow. But based on preparations, I think we have prepared well. Great camp we had in Rustenburg. Let's see what happens tomorrow, but I'm very optimistic that we will do well tomorrow.